Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 9 students and this is an introductory video on the topic lines and angles. So let us define angle first. Here we have two rays YZ and YX. This is the space contained between the two rays that is called as an angle. So this can be written as an angle Y. This common point is called the vertex. So vertex name can be written as angle Y. So this is angle Y, or it can also be written as angle XYZ. So Y should be in the center point, or ZYX. So this is that angle. This is an acute angle since it is less than 90 degrees. Similarly here AOB is a right angle which is measuring 90 degrees. So it is written by a square symbol rather than a curve symbol here. And this is an obtuse angle. So angle PQR or angle RQP is an obtuse angle with measuring more than 90 degrees. So this is more than 90 degrees. So this is angle in a straight line SRT. This is a straight line and this angle is 180 degree or supplementary angle. Whenever we talk of supplementary angle, it measures 180 degrees. Similarly, here angle ABC, the reflex angle. Reflex angle means which is more than 180 but less than 360 degrees. This is a full rotation angle. So angle around a point is 360 degrees. So we can also observe here. Here point R, this side is 180 degree and this side also 180 degrees. So total 360 degree around a point. That is called full rotation angle. Now we'll come to the definition of adjacent angles. Here we have two rays AB and BC and we have a common arm called as BD. So if there are two such rays which have a common arm with a common vertex, then these angle 1 and 2 are called as adjacent angles. Please note that these angles are not overlapping each other. Now coming to linear pair of angles, a PQR is a straight line, QS is another line intersecting at point Q. So this is a common vertex again. So angle 1 and angle 2 measure the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So if PQR is a straight line, the corresponding angles here, angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 180 degree. Or in other words, if angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree, then PQR is a straight line. So this is called angle in a linear pair. Coming to vertically opposite angles, here we have two lines AB and CD, they are intersecting here. These are some angles formed, like angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. So they are called vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite to each other. 1 is opposite to 3 and 2 is opposite to 4. So and these pairs are equal. So let us try to prove this. We'll try to prove 2 is equal to 4, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. If AB is a straight line, we know that angles in a linear pair is 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. AB is a straight line. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So angle in a linear pair is 180 degrees. Similarly, let us take this line, CD line. Again, angle in a linear pair is 180 degrees. So 1 plus 4, angle 1 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. So since this is equal to 180, this term also equal to 180, we can equate these two. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 1 plus 4. So 1 will get cancelled. So only angle 2 equal to 4. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So the vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, you can show angle 1 equal to angle 3. Let us solve few problems. In this figure, line PQ and RS intersect each other at point. Lines PQ and RS intersect at point O. If angle POR is to ROQ, POR is this angle is POR, and ROQ is this angle. They are in the ratio 5:7. We need to find all the angles. So if PQ is a straight line, then angles in a linear pair is 180 degrees. So angle POR plus angle ROQ is 180 degree. That's what we have written here. Angle POR plus ROQ is 180 degree. Now if this is 180 degree and we have to divide this into 5:7. This ratio is 5:7. So total there will be 12 parts. See, these 12 parts are to be put in 180 degrees because this sum is 180. So out of that 5 part will be how much? That's what we are writing. Angle POR is 5/12. There are 12 parts and 5 parts are given to angle POR and their total is 180 degrees. So 5/12 into 180, it means total angle was 180 and number of parts was 12. Out of that 5 parts are given for angle POR. So 5/12 into 180 is 75 degree. Now similarly, what will be ROQ? ROQ, there are 7 parts out of 12. So 7/12 into 180 is 105 degree. So we got this angle as 75. If this is 75, then angle SOQ will be 75, vertically opposite. Similarly, if ROQ is 105 degree, then angle POS will also be 105 degree because of their vertically opposite angles. Let us solve another problem. In this figure, ray OS stands on a line POQ. POQ is a line. OR and OT are angle bisectors. OR and OT are angle bisectors. So what are angle bisectors? Angle bisectors means if SOQ is some angle, then OT is bisector, means angle SOT will be equal to angle TOQ, or angle SOT will be half of angle SOQ because OT is a bisector. This is the meaning of angle bisector. Now if angle POS is x degree, this is given, this full angle is x. Find angle ROT. Now we need to find angle ROT. ROT can be written as angle ROS plus angle SOT. ROS is already given as x/2. Because OR is a bisector, this full angle is x. So angle ROS will be half of x. So one part is known. Now we need to determine angle SOT. So that's what we are going to find first. Now angle POS plus SOQ equal to 180 degree. POS plus SOQ is 180 degree angle in a linear pair. But what is POS angle? That is x. So x plus SOQ is 180 degree. So what is SOQ? SOQ will be 180 minus x. We take x on the right hand side. But what is SOQ? SOQ is twice SOT because OT is a bisector. So SOQ is twice of SOT. That's what we are replacing SOQ with twice of SOT because OT is an angle bisector of angle SOQ. So angle twice SO2 is 180 minus x. So what will be SOT? 2 will divide. So 180 by 2 is 90 minus x/2. So we got SOT as x90 minus x/2. We already know ROS is x/2 because OR is an angle bisector. So what will be ROT? Angle ROS plus angle SOT, which is x/2 plus this term 90 minus x/2. So x by 2 minus x by 2 cancel. So we'll get 90 degrees. So angle ROT will be 90 degrees. Now this is another axiom or theorem. You can say lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Now we consider line L, which is parallel to M. L is parallel to M given, and also L is parallel to N. Now we need to show that M is parallel to N. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. L is parallel to M, L is parallel to N. So we need to show M is parallel to N. Now if L is parallel to M, then these are the corresponding angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That's what we have written here. Similarly, if L is parallel to N, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So from these two, we can just say that angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. But they are on the same side of the transfer for the line M and N. So M is parallel to N. We can prove in this way. Now in this problem, if PQ is parallel to RS, PQ is given parallel to RS, and angle MXQ is 135 degrees, and angle MYR is 40 degrees. We need to find angle XMY. So how do we proceed? First we draw a line passing through M and parallel to PQ. So we draw a line AB which is parallel to PQ. Since PQ is parallel to RS, AB is also parallel to RS by theorem. So now if we see PQ is parallel to AB and XM is a transversal, angle MXQ plus angle BMX, their sum will be 180 degree. Angles on the same side of the transversal. So QXM plus XMB is 180 degree. Angles on the same side of the transversal. So what will be XMB now? XM will be 180 minus 135. This is already given. QXM is given as 135. So angle XMB will be 45 degrees. Now this angle we have found. If we can find this angle, then we can get XMY. So RS is parallel to AB and MY is a transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. So this angle is 40 degree. So BMY will also be 40 degrees. Now this is 45 degrees, this is 40 degrees. So total will be 85 degrees. So that's what we have written here. We need to find XMY, which is XMB plus BMY. XMB is we got 45 degree. Similarly, BMY we got as 40 degrees because they are alternate interior angles. So if we sum those two, we will get XMY as 85 degrees. Now if a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. We have drawn two lines PQ and RS, and AC, AD is a bisector intersecting this line at point B and C, and this ABQ angle we draw a bisector BE. Similarly, BCS we draw a bisector CF. Bisector, angle bisector means if B is a bisector, angle ABE will be equal to angle EBQ. Similarly, angle BCF will be equal to angle FCS because they are the angle bisectors. Now, it is given that these two are parallel. We need to show that PQ is parallel to RS. Now angle ABE is half of angle ABQ. Yes, this is true because it is a bisector. This is B is a bisector. This angle is half of full angle. That's how written. Similarly, BCF is half of BCS. BCF is half of BCS because CF is a bisector. Now from these two we can write as angle ABE is equal to BCF. Why these are equal? Because they are the corresponding angles. B and CF are parallel. If these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal, then angle ABE is equal to angle BCF. Corresponding angles. So if angle AB is equal to angle BCF, we can replace them as half of angle ABQ is equal to half of angle BCS. Half will get cancelled. Angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS. If angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS, they are the corresponding angles for this transfer if PQ is parallel to RS. Hence, we can say that PQ is parallel to RS. We take another interesting problem here. It is given that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. CD parallel to EF. Also EA is perpendicular. This symbol is perpendicular. Also EA is perpendicular to AB. Means perpendicular means 90 degree. EA is perpendicular to AB. So this angle will be 90 degrees. It is written by this symbol. If angle BEF is 55 degree, this is 55 degree, we need to find X, Y and Z angles. So this X, this is Y and this is Z we need to find out. Now how do we proceed? We will extend this line BE to G. So this line is being extended now. So if we can find, we observe that this is parallel, this is parallel and this is parallel. So X will be equal to Y and it will be equal to GEF. Why? Because corresponding angles are equal. If GB is a transversal, AB, CD and EF are parallel lines, then angle X will be equal to angle Y will be equal to GEF. So we need to find GEF. So now if DG is a straight line, because it is being extended, if DG is a straight line, the angle DEF and this angle GEF form a linear pair. So that will be equal to 180 degree. So angle GEF will be 180 minus 55, which is 125 degrees. I repeat again, DEG is a straight line, so this angle 55 degree plus the balance angle here, they form a linear pair. So we can get GEF as 125 degree, subtracting 55 from 180. So when GEF is known, we know that this is equal to Y and this is equal to X because they are corresponding angles. So X is equal to Y equal to 125 degree. Now remaining part is Z. How do we find Z? If these two AB and EF are parallel lines and A is a transversal, then angles on the same side of transversal equals, sum of the angles on the same side of transversal equals 180 degrees. So this angle is 90 and this angle will also be 90. Then only the sum will be 180. So 55 plus Z will be 90 degrees. 55 plus Z is 90 degrees. So Z will be 90 minus 55, which is 35 degrees. Friends, with this we conclude this fourth video. I hope you like this channel. Please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up so that future videos can be released to you immediately. Thank you very much, friends.